Use the app and lift the top off the truck a little. The center slider button allows you to run the MyLifter slowly if needed. Is the top level? If not, you might be able to level it by tapping Help in the app and then tapping Level Group. This menu allows you to adjust each MyLifter individually. Once you have leveled the group, tap Set Group Level. If this doesn't fix the level, you may need to lower the top back onto the truck and loosen the lifting brackets with the Allen wrench. Then slide the brackets to change their position and re-tighten the Allen screws. Lift the top to check its level. Repeat this process as necessary. That's it. Your truck top lifter is ready to use. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this one. And be sure to visit our website for more products that will make your garage even smarter.